The General Manager of Nta Abeokuta, Mr. Nta Abeokuta, paid a visit to the NTA station in Ijebu Ode following a recent burglary that led to the theft of vital broadcast equipment, disrupting the station's operations and raising concerns about security within the premises. Sumisola Adenuga witnessed the visitation and has more.
The burglary at the NTA Ijebu Ode station left staff and management in shock as essential items, including an armored cable connected to the changeover system, a Tiger generator, and an amateur coil, were carted away by an intruder. The incident not only hampered the station's technical functions, but also posed a threat to its ability to serve the viewing public effectively. During his visit, the General Manager of Nta Abeokuta, Mr. Nta Abeokuta, sympathized with the staff over the unfortunate development and assured them of management's commitment to restore operations as quickly as possible.
In the event of an outage, the public power supply, there will be something to transmit with. Because as the case is now, there's no way that gen can be used. As we're appealing to the well-meaning individuals in this society and the philanthropists to come to the aid of Nta Ijebu Ode here.
He further emphasized the need for tighter security measures and pledged to work with relevant stakeholders to prevent a recurrence.
I think they must have find their way through the part that partially collapsed along the fence line. So, well, appeal will just go to stakeholders to rise up and help Nta Ijebu Ode to fix the damaged parts of the fence.
Nta Ijebu Ode has reported the incident to the police, and a suspect, Michael Ogunyemi, has been apprehended and is currently in police custody. The father of the arrested suspect, Mr. Folusho Ogunyemi, pledged his support to the station for justice to be served and activities can return to normal in Nta Ijebu Ode.
The step NTA has taken, in fact, I love it. I so much cherish that type of step.
Further investigation is ongoing by the police. In Ijebu Ode, Sumisola Adenuga, NTA News.